Electrical engineering, in fact, is a branch of engineering that relates to electricity, like air, water, food, like these essentials. Electricity is one of the fundamental needs of the individuals. We cannot stop flow of air, flow of water, availability of many fundamental things. So is the place of electricity as well. We cannot disconnect anybody's electricity. It's a fundamental need of individual persons. So electrical engineering means production of electricity. There are resources like water, coal. These are conventional resources. These are exhausting slowly. And the need is increasing. It gets double every 5 years. And many other things are coming like traction, bullet trains, metros. There again the demand of electricity will increase, and therefore in this area the production will have to be increased. Therefore fabrication of generators, transmission lines, distribution systems, and so many things will certainly increase and will need more and more experts in the area.
You might have seen metros. Okay. It is the overhead transmission line nowadays. In electrical engineering, the application is, you might have seen their high tension lines. Okay. Everywhere you can see at the engine bogie there is an antenna type projection. Okay. That particular thing is called as electric traction. Once see the scenario, the train comes to the source station. At that time there is no supply in the coaches. But once suddenly you can see the supply is on, just because that particular antenna projection, it is touched to the high tension lines. And there in your home the supply is around 230 volts, but normally there the voltage is 25,000 volts. So you can imagine that how much high voltage we are using in metros.
Now our resources, if we talk of conventional resources, these are quite distantly located. Like Brahmaputra is the largest source of water. We have not been able to exploit it. If we wish to exploit this, certainly we need a system where energy could be could be transported to a very distant locations, 300, 500, 1000 kilometers, and like that. So obviously HVDC systems, a new kind of a system will come into existence, a new area of research, new area of development, new area of many other power electronics, and so many things will enter into it. We need electrical engineering.
During the layout of metro lines, okay, you might have seen the high tension lines are placed overhead. In that system, first the layman should know that there should not be any current flowing in the earth.
Basically, this is the setup for the measurement of earth resistance. First of all, we have to check whether this resistance is compatible to that line or not. Then only we can place the insulator in this. So for testing the earth resistance, we have placed 2 electrodes and we have used a generator. That is a hand driven generator which is driven at 160 RPM. Now in this condition, as we have measured by rotating this, and after this testing we know about whether this insulation is fit for that metro trains or whether some other insulation is to be employed there.
Electrical engineering is the mother branch of computer science engineering and electronics. In fact, in the beginning it was purely electrical engineering. Then it was electrical and electronics. Electronics splitted out of it. And then computer science engineering came. So these electrical engineering, and a student of electrical engineering can seek employment in electronics, can seek employment in computer science. Whereas from other branches, the reverse is almost impossible. So therefore, I in fact say that electrical engineering should be given importance, and the student must prefer for electrical engineering. Electrical consumption is going to increase many folds, where we will need lot of experts. Many industries are coming. Industries will employ electrical engineers for control systems and for so many things. And as our natural resources are exhausting, we are going towards non-conventional resources like sun energy, solar energy, energy from wind energy, energy from tides in sea, tidal energy. So the scope of developing these resources is also there, and we are going to introduce many courses in our stream in branch of electrical engineering, which will make our students expert on these aspects of electrical engineering. So I would say electrical engineering is the basic thing. There is nothing without electricity. There is nothing without electricity. This is the fundamental to this.